How you doing? This is James with In-Depth Home Projects. We're going to take a look at this portable sawmill that I got recently off of Amazon. There's a link below. You can click to check it out if you're interested. So it was easy to put together, pretty straightforward in the directions, and it's pretty solid. I didn't have any issues on keeping it tight. I thought there might be, but it held together when it came time to use it. Here it is attached to the chainsaw that I used, and it's got measurement bars on both ends, so it's easy to make sure you've got it level. It's got a good guard on it, and it holds onto the chainsaw really well. I also purchased the guide system or guide rail. It's a 9-foot ladder that came with it, and you'll see it here in use shortly. It was easy to put together as well. I only started with the basic size. The one problem I did have was with the leveling bolts. They were about the only thing that you couldn't tighten down, and they, due to the vibration, move. So, and you also had to have those screws into your whatever you're cutting to hold it secure, unless you have some other method of holding it. Here it is right before we're about to make the cut, and like I say, it held onto the chainsaw great. Nothing came loose. This is an oak tree that I'm cutting here. It was about 30 inches wide, I think, at the widest point, and about 24 inches at the shortest. This is about a 4-inch slab, and I would definitely recommend having assistance when using, and also have some wedges handy. As you see, it goes right through it, the chainsaw that is, easily guided by the guide rail. And here in just a second, I'll let you take a look at the slab. I appreciate you watching, and come back and see what I end up doing with these slabs.